Meaning of indifferent.
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 Indifferent. Indifferent is an adjective that describes a lack of interest, concern, or feeling towards something. When someone is indifferent, they don't care one way or the other about the subject or situation at hand. It's a neutral attitude that doesn't necessarily indicate positive or negative feelings. For example, if someone is indifferent to a particular political issue, it means they have no strong opinion or emotion towards it. Similarly, if someone is indifferent to a particular food, it means they could take it or leave it without any strong preference either way.